makeup look right here. It's kind of, well, it's not identical to the last makeup tutorial I did. If you haven't checked it out, I'll link it down below in the description for you guys to go check it out if you haven't already. But I did do a halo eye last video, and I was just very inspired by it, and I wanted to mess with like blues, oranges, reds, yellows. I just wanted to mess with it. I was just in the mood, you know. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button, and once you've done that, you could hit the bell button, which will notify you every single time I upload a new video. My social medias will be down below also if you want to go check me out on my social medias, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. You could go check me out on those stuff, you know. And yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this makeup look right here, then just keep on watching. So I'm gonna grab this Makeup Revolution palette right here, and I'm gonna grab this color, and I'm just gonna put that right in my crease. Now I'm going to hop into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to grab the yellow in this palette, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. Alright, so I'm going to be taking a like red / orange. I don't know which one I want to go into. I'm kind of going back and forth with two colors from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I want to go in with this one, but then I also want to go in with this one. So I don't know which one I should go in with first. I think this one, the lighter one. And maybe we'll go in with this one later, but I want to go in with this one right here, which is this one right here, obviously, because it's lighter. So I'm going to take that in my crease and also on the outer parts of my eyes. So I wanted to go in with this one, but I think I'm going to go in with this one instead. Maybe even both. I think I'm going to do mostly this one and go in with a little bit of this one. And I'm just going to do the same exact thing and just put it on the outer part of the eye, the crease, and the inner part of the eye. Just like as a halo, you know? Now you can go in with like a black, but since this look is kind of, I don't know why, but I'm getting kind of purple vibes, and like I'm seeing purple, but it's like red, but like those two reds together, I don't know why, but it kind of looks purple. It doesn't look purple on the monitor, but it looks like it IRL. So I'm gonna go in with this Manny palette. This is not a exact purple, but it kind of has that undertone as a purple. So I'm gonna go in with this one, and I'm going to put it, just to take a little bit and put it really close to the lash line and blend up with it. I don't want to take this color and then the red that we just took on the outer part and inner part of the eye is just like gone. So I'm gonna take a little bit at a time, go to the bottom lash line, and then blend up, and then that's it. We don't want too much of that. Alright, so I decided to go a little bit dramatic, a little bit more dramatic. So I took the Smoke and Mirrors black eyeliner. I tight lined and kind of, I just like put a little bit close to my lashes and then blended up with the Aphrodite color. I'm going to be taking this Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in Light, and I'm just going to put that right here in the middle and just carve out like the center of the lid, like a halo would be. I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette again, and I'm going to be taking, I'm going to be taking this one. I was thinking of taking both of these, like putting this on like the outer part and putting this in the center, But I think I'm just going to take this one and then grab a lighter blue to put in the center, because this one, it's not the kind of blue that I want. So yeah, we're going to go in with this one right here. So this blue cannot blend. It is so annoying. Like, I blend it so many times and it will not blend at all. Don't know why it won't, but it just won't. But I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics Foil Eyes to Go 6 color eyeshadow palette, and they're just like foil shadows, and I'm going to take that blue and I'm going to put it right in the center of the eye. Now I'm going to take the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette and take the color called White Peach, and I'm just going to put that on my brow bone. But now I am going to do my full face off camera, and then I'll be back with you guys with the rest of the look. So now I'm going to hop into the bottom lash line. I'm going to take the same liner that I tight lined with, which is the Smoke and Mirrors eyeliner in black. And I'm just going to put that on my waterline. So I'm going to take the first color that we took, which is the yellow shade, and I'm just going to blend that on my bottom lash line. Now I'm going to take the second color that we took from the Jaclyn Hill palette and do the same exact thing. All these colors that I'm going to be taking that I took in like the crease in the outer part, like the reds and the yellows, I'm going to be doing the same exact thing on the bottom lash line. And then for and then for Aphrodite, I'm going to do like just a little bit on the outer part just to make the eyes look like, you know? Now I'm going to hop in with just a little bit of this color. I'm going to be taking these two colors right here together, and I'm going to put it really close to the lash line. I'm not going to smoke out the black, but I'm just going to put it really close to the lash line and blend it down. So I'm going to put some powder under my eyes for the mascara that we're going to be using for the top and bottom lash line. And I'm going to take this Ulta Volume Mascara in Jet Black. So I'm going to take this highlighter again. I took it last video, and this look kind of is like, I'm kind of inspired from last video, because I did a halo also, and it was like a blue halo? Green halo? Green halo. Yes, it was a green halo, and I just wanted to mess with blues and reds, which, by the way, I love, like, these colors. Since I've got the Morphe palette, the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, I loved how, like, the blues and the yellows and the oranges and reds, like, matched. Like, I don't know, I just loved how they looked together, so I just wanted to do something like this. And I'm gonna be grabbing the Too Faced highlighter. This is the Diamond Light highlighter, something like that. Yeah, I think so. But it'll be down below in the description for you guys, because I don't know like the full name of it. There's green, blue, and purple or pink. I don't know if it's purple or pink, but I'm gonna grab the blue, so just put it to the light and you could actually see it. Well, I could see it on the monitor. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but the blue over here, like, you could see that. So I'm gonna grab that on a flat brush and damp the brush and put that on my inner corner. Alright guys, so I did my lashes off camera, and I also did my lippy off camera because I had no more room on my SD card left, so I had to like move it, and I was like, let me just put on my lashes real quick and my lippy, and then I could just do the outro. But the lashes that I used today are, hold up, let me try to remember, the Ardell Studio Effect Wispies. Those are the ones that I'm using, and the lippy that I have on is this NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Soft Spoken. And then the lip gloss that I have on top is this Revlon lip gloss in Sky Pink. I put it on my lips, and then it was like too glossy. I just felt like I don't know about it. So I was just dabbing my finger on it, so it'll kind of like take some of the gloss away, and it's like, I didn't want it too glossy, so yeah. But I'm going to do the intro and outro before my camera dies. But I hope you guys like this look right here. If you missed last video, it'll be linked in the description down below for you guys, and also it'll be at the end of the video for you guys to click the link and you guys could go watch it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know, hit the subscribe button. It's big, it's red, it says subscribe, press it. Once you subscribe, there's gonna be a bell button where you could press and you could be notified every single time I upload a new video, and you could be the first one to like, comment, and share and all that jazz. My social medias will be down below in the description for you guys to go check out. My Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. And yeah, so I don't think it's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!